want to say welcome to class of 2021.
Welcome to Columbia.
I've got to leave here before I go. I pull my shirt on, walk out the door, drag my feet along the floor.
Nice. No, the lighting's good. Okay. Welcome to Columbia. My name is Arman. I'm a first year who lives in Carman Hall.
Hi, I'm Hadley. I'm a first year in Carman Hall. Hi, Nicole. I'm a first year also in Carman Hall.
And we're gonna give you a little bit of a tour of where we live, so you can kind of see what it's like to live as a Columbian here in New York. Okay, so Columbia is like objectively the best. That's what I said.
You said Columbia.
Okay, so what's like the best dorm in Columbia?
For a freshman, it's Carman.
It's obviously Carman, right? It's obviously Carman. Yeah, so we obviously have a lot of pride in our residence hall here. And if you can look, like, this room is huge. I share it with a roommate. Obviously, he's the messy one. I'm the neat one. But yeah, one of like the best things about here, honestly, for me personally at least, is that the closet space is incredible. My suite mate actually just walked in. Say hey.
Hi.
What's up, Hank?
Hello.
Say hi to the class of 2021.
Hi, class of 2021. We're excited to have you.
Sounded kind of scripted. But yeah, one of the things about Carman is that you're gonna be living in a suite, which means you kind of have this like little foyer right here, and then you have a room, and then you have another room that you share with your suite mates. Honestly, I'm a little salty because they kind of have the better view. It's okay. My view's not too shabby. One of like the great things about Columbia is that you have like this amazing campus that like literally like my room is overlooking, but then you also have like all of New York City like at your fingertips, and like I don't know any other place like in the world where you can have that like amazing on-campus community and also like that amazing city like right there. And like honestly, like how lucky are you to be able to like live 4 years of your life like as you go from like a teenager to a young adult in like New York City? Like it's amazing.
You said like too many times.
What?
What?
What did I do?
You said like too many times.
Like what do you mean?
Right.
Hey Hadley.
Hi.
Where are we?
Not yet. So this is my room.
Are you stressed that I came in here when it's messy?
Yeah, I just did my laundry. So all of the stuff I can't dry is on my bed.
Okay, what is this?
So I'm in Greek life, and during Big Little Week, my bae got me these giant balloons as part of the surprise.
That is so extra.
I know, but it's so cute, and they stayed up for like 3 weeks.
It is cute. Oh my gosh, this is so much more. I feel so inadequate now in my room. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this room actually like is kind of messy. Like.
Yeah. Can you give me like 3 more minutes?
Yikes. Okay, honestly, like I felt bad about like Hadley's room. I thought hers was messy, but like this is like next level. Like very cute balloons though. Yeah, so I'm just chilling in my room with this bear that my date to formal gave me. It's pretty cute, right?
This is not your room, and that is not your bear.
Okay, why do you have to do that on
Why
camera?
are you lying?
Say welcome.
I am so welcome.
How excited are you to have them on campus?
So excited. You have no idea.
Okay, so where are we, Hadley?
We're in the floor lounge.
Yes, so what do you guys do in the floor lounge? What do we do in the floor lounge?
I mean, I study here. You can hang out. Nicole and I come here after we go out and just eat food and hang out here. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that.
Discuss literature. I was like,
Well, actually, I do that. Yeah.
yeah.
Of course.
Yep.
Um,
Some wonderful conversations about Paradise Lost. You think I'm kidding?
tell me about study break. What's study break?
So, every Sunday night, I think, one of like 4 kids on the floor bring food for the entire floor, and we have a study break in here. Our RA plans it and has set it all up the schedule, and it's just nice that on Sunday night at like 10 o'clock, you have a chance to step away from your studying, have a little food, see some friends.
Okay, so that's really it. We just want to give you a quick tour of what it's like to live at Columbia. Obviously, we all love it, and we're so excited to have you here on campus this fall. Little baby lion cubs ready to be big grown lions like us, right?
Right, exactly. Congratulations, we're excited to see you next fall.
Was
so
that
excited.
Was that cheesy? Was that cheesy?
Yes, boy, it's fine.
Okay. Welcome to Columbia.